Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to add your IKEA family card to your Apple Wallet, then this video is going to show you the exact working method in 2026. So first of all, you will need your digital IKEA family card. For that, you just have to simply go to your email box. Inside your email box, you need to find the welcome email from IKEA after you signed up. If you don't see it, you can open the IKEA application or website. Then you can log in into your account and go to your profile section. Now inside profile, your digital card will be shown with a QR code. So make sure that the card is visible on your phone screen before moving to the next step. Now, when you open your IKEA family email on your iPhone, you just have to scroll to the bottom of the email and look for this particular button that says Add to Apple Wallet. When you see it, you just have to tap on it. Then on the next page, tap on the option of Add on the top right hand corner of the screen. Afterwards, authenticate it using your Face ID or passcode, and then your IKEA family card will be saved in your Apple Wallet. So now when you open your Apple Wallet, select your IKEA family card. At checkout in store, you can show the QR code to the cashier for scanning. You can also use the same card for the offers and benefits linked to your account. So once added, you don't need the IKEA app or email again. Wallet access is enough for scanning. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.